we are starting the official install of Linux. Who was the one who was suggesting? Harshit. I like the initial intro, but we'll see. Currently it's installing, as you guys can. Hope you guys stick around for some. I think it's going to be installed much faster than before for sure. You guys want my screen or black screen? No, it's installing the Fedora. Give it some time, bro. Go easy. Now it went black. Hopefully that's not a bug or something. Every time I install our operating system and screens go black for a long time, I guess looks like it's back. So yeah, it open the installation in the other window. So let me bring that in this screen, and also installation. Next. Yeah, simple by default. Yeah, that's fine. Next. Is it installed already? Did it boot from my pen drive or did it install completely? Display configurations. I'm just going to make a copy of all these. I don't think install has been completed. I just open it up and I see the option for install. So, okay, install destination. Pick this one. I'm only going to use that one. It's fine. Then what? Done. Claim space. What are all these? NTFS. I think these are the ones which not resizable. A root user, also known as super user, has a complete access to the entire remote access with root. This will prevent unintended administrative access to the system. So we're not going to use sudo again. Oh, that's the root password. I would like to see my password for a minute. So give me. I just want to see if whatever I typed it's a perfect or not. So give me one moment. I'll just disable my screen. Yep, I did miss a word. Okay, things are back. Yep, I have done my password setting. Everything looks good. User credentials. Wait, root password and user is different? Get X premium for the like $40. I'm not going to pay for all those. Okay, I guess, yeah. You can change this password, right? What does it mean? Begin install? Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, let's wait for something. What happens? Yes, Jagdeep. Finally, I came into Linux world. I mean, you guys are acting as if I don't know Linux. I did use Linux previously. It's just I find Windows much more comfortable for my setup. You know, the applications I use, Voicemeeter, the bot thing, Elgato capture cards, they are comfortable. I can copy files from my streaming PC directly to my gaming PC and process them, upload to YouTube. They work fine.